Let's be completely honest for a second. If you've spent any time building a document pipeline, RAG ingestion, an invoice agent, a contract parser, anything that has to eat PDFs and turn them into something your model can actually reason over, you know the exact moment the magic breaks. You run OCR, you get back a clean wall of text, and then you stare at it and realize you have no idea where any of it came from. Which paragraph was the title? Which numbers were inside the table versus floating in a footnote? Whether that signature block was a signature or just bold text. Your agent is reading the document, sure, but it is fundamentally blind to the structure, so you write a fragile post-processing layer to guess, it hallucinates the layout, it cites the wrong region, and you burn an afternoon and a stack of tokens patching a problem the OCR model should have solved in the first place. That is the memory wall of document AI, and we have all been there. So here's the thing I want to detonate right at the top. As of June 23, 2026, OCR, the way you've been doing it, is basically dead. Not because a model finally reads text a little better, because Mistral OCR 4 stopped reading documents and started mapping them. And the question I want you holding for the next 8 minutes is this. What does it actually mean for an agent to know where everything is, not just what it says? Welcome back to Everyday AI School, where we cut the fluff and pack every second with value. Here's the shift in one sentence, and 3 distinct things shipped inside one small model, each one quietly killing a different workaround you've been hand-building for 2 years. Capability 1. Bounding boxes. This was Mistral's single most requested feature, and OCR 4 now returns paragraph-level coordinates for every block of text, which means in-context highlighting, clickable citations that jump straight to the source region, and data pipelines that stop guessing where a value lived on the page. But coordinates alone don't tell an agent what a thing actually is. So, Capability 2, Typed Block Classification. OCR 4 doesn't just localize a block, it labels it. Titles, tables, equations, signatures, and more. So the document stops being an undifferentiated wall of characters and becomes a set of named, structured parts your code can branch on. And if the agent knows the box and the type, there's still one thing missing before it can safely act. Capability 3. Inline confidence scores, generated per page and per word. This is the trust layer. Low confidence regions get routed to a human verifier. The rest auto-approve. And suddenly, redactions, source-grounded citations, and human-in-the-loop verification are first-class outputs instead of bolt-ons. Now put all 3 together. Where, what, and how sure, and the document stops being something you read and becomes something you act on. That's the thesis. OCR 4 moves agents from reading documents to executing on them. Form filling, invoice processing, compliance checks, handing them structural primitives instead of a text dump. Bold claim. So is it actually better or just differently shaped? Let's go to the numbers because this is where it gets interesting. Mistral assembled 600 plus documents across 12 plus languages, sourced from third-party vendors to mirror real industry use, and had independent annotators blindly rank every competitor's output against OCR 4's, document by document. The result? Annotators preferred OCR 4 over every leading OCR and document AI system tested, with win rates averaging 72%. And the cost story rides shotgun. Aidan Donahue, an AI engineer at the financial intelligence firm Rogo, reported hitting equivalent accuracy at roughly 8 times lower cost and 17 times lower latency against leading agentic parsers on chart and figure-dense financial data. And at production scale, that delta compounds fast. Hold on to that 8 times. We're paying it off in a minute. On the automated side, OCR 4 takes the top overall score on the public Olm OCR bench at 85.20. Leads Mistral's internal crawl multilingual eval at 0.98, and scores 93.07 on OmniDoc bench. The numbers look clean, so why does Mistral itself tell you not to fully trust them? Here's the honesty beat that earns this release real credibility. Mistral audited the mismatches behind its own benchmark scores, and found most of them weren't model errors at all. They were scoring artifacts, ground truth references that were themselves wrong, where the model read the page correctly and got marked wrong anyway. Equivalent LaTeX that renders identically but fails a string comparison. Equation segmentation, where splitting one expression into inline fragments breaks the matcher even though the rendered math is identical. Multi-column reading order, where a hyphenated word split across a column boundary gets flagged as a failure. Header and footer attribution quirks that penalize correct output. The pattern is brutal and clarifying. These artifacts cluster in mathematical, scientific, and multi-column documents, and they more often punish correct output than reward wrong output, meaning the benchmark was broken, not the model. That's why Mistral calls these numbers directional, not definitive, and tells you to evaluate on your own documents. Now, multilingual depth, because this is where rivals quietly fall apart. 170 languages across 10 groups, with measurable gains on specialized and low-resource languages where competing systems visibly degrade, leading all 8 language groups on the internal crawl multilingual breakdown. Global reach is nice, but the line that makes a regulated enterprise actually switch is about where the data lives. OCR 4 is compact enough to deploy in a single container, fully self-hosted, processing up to 2,000 pages per minute on a single GPU, which means your document data never leaves your infrastructure. Residency, sovereignty, compliance, handled. So what does this actually cost per page? Here's the economics payoff. $4 per 1,000 pages through the API, dropping to $2 with the 50% batch API discount, with the no-code document AI path in Mistral Studio at $5 per 1,000 pages. Undercutting Google Document AI by 20% standard and 60% in batch. And now that Rogo number isn't a stat. That 8 times cheaper, 17 times faster delta is your margin. Where does it all slot in? OCR 4 is an ingestion component of Mistral's open-source search toolkit, now in public preview, feeding citation-ready, typed, classified blocks straight into RAG and enterprise search pipelines. Semantic chunking that matches the document's real logical structure instead of an arbitrary character count, and consistent typed output for connectors and indexing. So what actually changed today, for you, building this week? Collapse the whole thing into one idea. The document went from a thing you read to a structured object an agent can reason over. OCR didn't get better at reading, it stopped reading and handed your agents the map. That's not a new model, that's a new instruction set for documents, and the entire early agent stack is about to be rebuilt on top of it.